Alright, rain or shine, man. I'm here. Got all the gear all prepared. Heading to Mount Woodson over there. About 4 miles up. It was pouring down earlier. Now it's just a little drip. It's gonna be awesome. Start raining again. Light rain right now. Beautiful though. No lightning, man. Which is good thing. Okay. 1.3 miles. Going to the right. Nice clean air, fresh air. Look at the breeze coming up from the bottom. Walking through the greenery, man. It's cold up here, about 40 degrees because of the wind. So 4 mountain bikers. I guess they like the rain. Check this out, man. All foggy here. Swing to the left. That's the antenna and potato chips. Look at the sky. This is something, man. Beautiful. 50 yards away. Woo. Check it out, man. Nobody up there. Oh. High wind here. Holy man. Slippery though. I wouldn't go there. There it is. The most famous potato chips. Cold wind, man. Gotta get the hell out of here. Nice though. Okay, man, it has been fun. Raining on and off. Some section is really pouring down. Ooh, and freezing right now. Alright, time to get down. Enough fun. Have a good one, man. Catch you next time.